This literature kit on A Single Shard by Linda Sue Park is great for quizzes, vocabulary, and writing prompts. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Predict what will happen between Tree Ear and Min, and whether Tree Ear will become a potter. Match characters to their actions in the story. Describe how Tree Ear prepares the clay for Min, and how different the process would be today. Write the step-by-step instructions on Kang's new technique for making pottery. Compare Min and Kang's work in a Venn diagram. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as designing a poster advertising Min's pottery. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Find the cities from the novel on a setting map of Korea. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.